Hey guys, how's it going? It's Joel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the GoPro Hero 7. Alright, so I ordered this GoPro Hero 7 and it was the Black Friday deal special, and it came with a bunch of accessories. Now I got this from the GoPro website and they didn't discount the price for Black Friday, and I didn't think that they would, but they did add a bunch of accessories for the same price, and these were accessories that I was already going to get, so I thought it was going to be a good deal. And if you guys remember, our GoPro Hero 3 that we had for the longest time died this past summer in Bermuda. The casing did not work for it when I went to go snorkeling, and within minutes water had leaked into the camera, salt water had leaked into that camera, and then it died instantly. So like on the second day of being in Bermuda, my GoPro died and it was assigned to get the new GoPro. So let's unbox this. This is the Black Friday deal special with all of the accessories. And it just arrived a couple of days ago. And we have no more bubble on that. And I got the GoPro Hero 7, a rechargeable battery, a chest mount, which is called a chesty, and then a micro SD card, which is a 32 gig micro SD card. So I am going to unbox this for you guys. So this is what it came in, and just all the papers and stuff came with that. And I'm excited because, you know, I was already going to get this. Like when it broke, when my previous GoPro broke in August, I was like, oh man, I need a new GoPro before we go to Shanghai, which we're going to in a month. But I knew to wait on Black Friday because I knew that they would have deals. So let's take out the accessories first. First, they included the chesty. Now, they said on this invoice here that the chesty is $39.99 US. I don't know if that's on their website, but that's how they have it listed. So we got the chesty here. I'm just going to remove everything out of the bag. I'm super excited for this because I'm going from a GoPro Hero 3 to a 7, which is a lot of numbers and versions in between. So there's the chesty. And then they gave a SanDisk micro SD 32 gig. I'm probably gonna have to get another one. Okay, there's the micro SD. And it's cool because they included stuff that I was already gonna get. Like if I got the GoPro Hero 7 just by itself, like I would need a chest mount, I would need this, I would need this. This is another extra battery. And it's basically the GoPro Hero 5 battery, but then they just like added the sticker compatible with a GoPro Hero 7 Black. So they just added the sticker. It's the same GoPro Hero 5 battery. And of course, we have what we've all been waiting for, and what I've all been waiting for is the GoPro Hero 7. I'm so excited to play with this and to use it, and I will say that the feature that got me, that made it very easy for me to get this version instead of the middle version, because they have 3 versions of the 7. It's like sort of like lower, higher, and then like the highest, like bronze, silver, gold type thing, is the live streaming feature. So apparently you can live stream with this GoPro instead of like having to live stream like on your phone like you usually do. Like if I was parasailing up in the air, I could apparently live stream with this. Let's start doing some unboxings of all the stuff. I don't need to unbox this. This is pretty self-explanatory, but I'm gonna unbox these two and this. So let's do this one first. Need some scissors. Now this version of the chest, I have the chest mount that first came with the GoPro Hero 3, so this is a different version of the chest mount. I will probably do a comparison of the old chest mount versus this new chest mount here. unboxing the chesty. Move all this stuff out of the way here. Okay, some arrows. I'm just gonna rip this. I don't need to package this back up. I have not used this before, so I don't know why they have these two arrows here. What does that mean? Ooh, it's definitely more cushiony than the other one. And this mount looks different than before. This is not how it used to be in my other chest mount. It looks definitely much better quality, and this, they added more padding to this part because in the original chest mount, this was just straight up hard plastic, and when it was right here and you fell, it hurt. So I'm glad that they added some padding. It looks better quality for sure than the previous version. I'm guessing you just slide this in here. You lift up the tab, slide this in. There we go, and then you put it down. And then you put your GoPro on like so. And then I would probably have like other mounts because I don't like it when it's just right there. I like it when there's a couple of other mounts where I can move it like upwards, downwards, and then sideways. So I'll probably do that. Cool, so far I'm liking the new chest mount compared to the original one that I have. I'll just take this out. And it's much easier to take out. That was a huge issue, was this thing going on here. It was so hard to remove. So let's put that aside. Let's check out, well, this is not going to be that exciting, just the rechargeable battery, but I always make sure to have extra batteries with my electronics and gear, just because GoPros use a lot of batteries. You never know when things are going to die out on you. So I'm glad that they included another battery. So this is like a slightly more different shape than the Hero 3 battery, but it pretty much looks the same. Put that just right here. Now, let's unbox this. They always present it in the same way. This is the same way they presented it with the Hero 3. So, I am going to... Okay, there's a tab here at the bottom to remove. Okay. And then we pull this through. Okay, and then they included this little here, this metal thing that says hyper smooth stability. That's really interesting that they added like a metal like badge to it. So here it is, the GoPro Hero 7 in all of its glory. Now I'm excited because the GoPro Hero 3 didn't even have a screen on the back of it. So I'm getting a major upgrade. Okay, so let's take the accessories out. This is kind of mounted here. Let me remove the camera first before I try and remove the mount. Oh, okay, here we go. They wanted you to unscrew it first to remove this piece. So I've just removed the GoPro off the top. I can't really get this part off right now, so I'm just gonna leave that and let's go into the accessories. Oh, it says you can slide it out. So let's try again. It says that you can actually slide this out. So you lift that, and then you push through here, and then you push through. Oh, there you go. There you go. Got it out. Okay, first thing here is the GoPro Plus card. So they're advertising the GoPro Plus. And then, oh, there's also, okay, need to download the app, how to put it inside and outside the case, how to put the SD card, and how to charge it and then turn it on and mount it on a helmet. Okay, so now also got some GoPro stickers. Those are cool. Stickers, and then we got an instructional booklet. All right, here's some more goodies. Charging cord. Got 2 mounts, another battery, 2 batteries now. And then I think that is it. Cool. Okay, so let's add the battery in. Let's take it out of this case. So I'm gonna remove it from the mount here. And I'm gonna take it out. This is a different type of casing. They've changed it because before the case would cover the whole thing, but now it's like it only covers the part of it and you can still have access to the buttons and sides and stuff. So it says to flip open and then it comes out. Okay, so we just flip this open here. There we go. Still the same kind. Okay, now the GoPro. Snug fit in here. Yeah, it's got a pretty snug fit. Alright, so here is the GoPro 7 Black. It's got like a similar to the GoPro Fusion feel to it, where it's like kind of rubbery but not. Now, it has a nice feel to it, but it does attract like lint and dust really easily. On the Fusion, if you put it on the ground near somewhere, it would have dust all over it. So I'm thinking that might happen with this as well. So I'm so excited for this screen. I've never had a screen before. I won't add in the SD card right now. I'll do a separate video on that. Just like that. Oh, I think it's the other way. There we go. The other way, and then you also put the SD card in here as well, but I'm not going to do that right now. Just put it in. So that was the unboxing of the GoPro Hero 7 Black Friday deal that they were offering. So I got the GoPro Hero 7, the chesty mount, a micro SD card, and an extra battery. And in my opinion, this was totally worth it. Even though they didn't discount the price, they added a bunch of accessories that I do already need and that I was going to get if I purchased this. So to me, it was a great deal, and it worked out great for me because my previous GoPro died and I was gonna go from 3 to 7, so I'm really excited. I'm really excited to try out the live streaming feature, the stabilization mode, so stay tuned as I'm going to be creating a bunch more tutorials on what it's like for me to be using the GoPro Hero 7. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching the unboxing. If you do want to check this out, head down to the description below as I will have the links to all of the accessories down below. So did you guys get anything for Black Friday? Let me know down in the comments section. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Back from the dead.